Hey, I'm Jamie from the Crafters Workshop. We're here at Creativation. Thank you for watching Scrapbook.com. We have gorgeous new stencils from Julie Faye Van Balzer. I'm going to show them to you right now. She's got this love frame that is so gorgeous. I mean, she just interpreted it so beautifully. Lots of detail, lots of interest. And you can spray it, you can do a million things with it, watercolor it. And then she came out with her big flower. I don't know if you got to see Ken Oliver's demo. He was using big flower. That's the one you want. He did it in 12 by 12. Here Julie shows you the 12 by 12 and then the little 6 by 6 on top of it. So cute. And then she did this wonderful faithful tree. Again, in true Julie style, she took the 6 by 6 and rotated it 4 times around. You could do it as one big image or lots of little ones like she did. And then here we've got the stone increase. Isn't that amazing? So much detail. I could do it a million different ways, just coloring in, doing gradations, doing ombre. I love her style. And here's one that I just love, love, love called Plaid Fringe. It is amazing, and I'm going to even show you, she had one that she ended up discarding. She's gonna kill me for showing her this, but this is what she started, and then I guess started something else. But I just love the color she got in here with some really intense sprays. That's the Plaid Fringe. Then Julie did something with her script words. And the nice thing about Julie's stencils is you can use just a little piece of it. Look how she used our copper modeling paste, just a little smidge with some watercolor up and down. Isn't that gorgeous? Now we've got Heartfelt Flower. Wonderful. I mean, you can do it as an imprint. You can do the positive, you could do the negative, you could do a little tiny piece of it in the corner. Just so versatile. The garden frame, lovely. I mean, you could take it as something very, very literal as a frame, or you can do something with mixed media, layers and layers of color. You could put something in the middle or just keep it as is. It's gorgeous. Spring Medallion. For those of you who love the circular stencils, this one is a lot of fun. And don't think of it like having to put it right in the middle. Look how she offset it like that, where the warm and the cool, try to play with that. We've got the warm colors, the cool colors, and then the stencil right there. Now we've got the dash triangle. Again, what lovely elements, pieces of it. Can you see how she used just the centers, these little circular pieces, and then a little bit of the triangles? You don't have to use the whole thing, just pieces. She uses sponges and just sponges that color right on. Next is Fantastical. Lots of fans. She uses the large and the small, mixing them on top of each other. Julie loves to layer. I think that's one of the most wonderful things about mixed media, is everything just layers and layers. And last but not least, she's got Texture Love. This, I mean, you can just use a piece here, a piece there, whether you're doing it on clay or paper or fabric. It's wonderful. Look at that. I mean, 2 different ways to see it. Great stuff from Julie Faye Van Balzer. Thanks so much for watching.
Thanks for watching this video that was filmed in Phoenix, Arizona at AFCI's 2019 Creativation event. If you liked this video and want to see more from Scrapbook.com, please like, share, subscribe, and leave a message. Happiness is a life handmade.